Narsingdi Haridwati.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Alfishari. Now I am talking about NDK. NDK is power and karate is the superpower. Hus.
Karate is the superpower.
Karate is very important in our life. Hus.
Karate is a superpower.
Karate is our protection. Hus.
Karate is the superpower. Nashindi Jala Karate superpower. Karate is the all the best.
Karate is best. We love karate. Karate is the superpower. Karate is self-defense.
Is superpower. Karate is superpower.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Adri Datta. I am a NDK. Karate is the superpower.
All the best, everyone.
Everybody good. Yes. Everybody good luck. Yes.
Karate is protection.
Karate is superpower. Karate is strong.
Hello, my name is Arnab. Karate is superpower. My name is Shamra Shah. Karate is superpower. My name is Kortobo Roy. Karate is very good and it is very good for our body and it is a very good self-defense. Karate is a fire.
Karate is the Spider-Man indicator.